Good morning guys! Time check, it's 8:33 a.m. Mag-gym na ang lola nyo. Let's go! Samahan nyo ako! So, tapos na ang aking workout for today. Super intense. Super intense ng workout ko today. Grabe. Yan, namumula pa ang mukha ko. Ang init na kasi. May chika ako sa inyo. May ka-workout ako today. Ang cute niya, ang gwapo. Pero pagtingin ko, ganon siya. Tapos pinahid niya yung yung kulangot siguro niya sa damit. Sabi ko, ew! Gwapo sana pero never mind. Natatawa ako, oh my god. Grabe, ang init na ngayon. Pahubad nga nitong aking damit. Super init na kasi ngayon. Ayun, kayo na lang bahala mag-judge sa aking shoulder, no? I'm still working on it. So, magpalinis muna ako ng sasakyan. Tapos pupunta akong Western Union. Magpapadala ako ng pera sa Pinas. Let's go! Samahan niyo ako magpalinis ng aking sasakyan. Mwah!
By the way guys, dito sa Germany, bawal maglinis or magwash ng sasakyan sa driveway ng bahay. It is forbidden na kapag nahuli ka ay pagmumultahin ka ng napakalaking halaga. Kaya dapat alam natin guys ang law sa ibang bansa kapag tayo ay maninibang bansa. Hi guys, magluto tayo ng pares na super easy lutuin. Beware ha, mapapa-extra rice ka pala nito.
Go and don't think twice. If you meet a stranger with a looks at him now. A sadness in her eyes as she waves at him. She waves at him now. Tries to act as his beautiful wife. I know she'll never survive. If I leave, she will be alright. The way he talks to me, oh how he talks to me now. Life can sometimes feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging you down. Just remember you will always rise. Let your body go and don't think twice. If you meet a stranger with the deepest eyes, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Life can sometimes feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging you down. Just remember you will always rise. Let your body go and don't think twice. If you meet a stranger with the deepest eyes, come on, 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 come on. There's something about the way he talks to me, how he talks to me now. The glimmer in his eyes as he's watching me. You know I'm watching him now. As he laughs with his beautiful smile, I know I'll never survive without this stranger by my side. The way he talks to me, the way he talks to me now.
So good. How is it, Daddy?
Pretty good.
Yeah, my husband loves it.
Feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging
Pork.
you down.
Pork belly cooked in the air fryer. It's not fried, okay? Air fried pork belly. So crispy.
Something in the way she looks at him.
I'm glad you like it, Dad.
She looks at him.
Those are fair.
So good.
A sadness in her eyes as she waves at him. She waves at him now. Tries to act as his beautiful wife. I know she'll never